Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. First of all, before I start into this video, sorry I'm using natural lighting. To be honest you guys, I couldn't be bothered to set up my studio lights, and it's really hot today, so you know what, I thought let me just film in natural lighting, and I hope you guys don't mind. Sorry for my appearance a little bit. I'm not wearing any kind sort of makeup, just skincare. My hair is a bit messy today. I just need to get a haircut as well. So please don't look at my appearance. I mean, you have to look at the video anyways, but just ignore the appearance for the moment, please, because I have a very exciting video to film, and this is going to be my first MyTheresa unboxing. I've never shopped from MyTheresa. If you guys are a bit unfamiliar what MyTheresa is, MyTheresa is an online platform, online website, and they sell luxury products. Obviously it's all legit and stuff, so they have a huge variety of brands, and I really like actually MyTheresa's website. I feel like the layout and the way they show the kind of new in stuff is all color coordinated. I don't know if you guys have guessed it as well. It's all nice and color coordinated, and I really like it. And I have seen they have the sale, and actually I bought something from the sale. It's just one item, and I have received this item after a week. I don't know if it's been more than a week. To be honest you guys, they did say that the delivery will take 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 working days, and also on the email it said that it will take 3 days delayed. So overall I actually waited for a very long time for this parcel, so I'm not impressed with the delivery shipping working days. I'm not impressed, to be honest. It took quite a while for just a pair of oh no, I'm gonna give it away what's inside. Just keep on watching you guys. Spoiler alert, I have already seen this in real life in a store. I've already seen it in Harrods, but at that time I was like, okay, they look very interesting, and then I saw them on sale. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get them and see how they are. So I'm super excited to see them in my room. So there we go. This is the famous kind of, what do you say? Is it like yellow or like a, don't know, like a green, or sort of like a mixture of color? It's very unique actually, very unique color. So let's just open it and see. This is actually my first unboxing from MyTheresa, and my first purchase from this brand. I don't know if you guys know, but I am a huge fan of the brand. I actually talk about this quite a lot in my channel. Let me just sit this way so you guys can see. Oops. So it's fine, the paperwork just fell down, which is good. What does it say? Thank you, this package has been lovely wrapped by Nima. So Nima, she wrapped this item for me. By the way, I don't know if you guys already can tell from the shoebox, it's a pair of shoes, duh. I'm gonna try them on, do like a really honest first impression of these pair of shoes, you guys can see, and I will let you guys know also by the end of this video if I will keep them or if I will return them, because I'm very curious to try them on, and hopefully it's the right size, because I waited so long for these and I'm hoping to God that this is the right size. Let's just open this up, and I don't know if you guys can already guess it. Let me just take it out from the box so it's easier to see. Dun, 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 dun. This is the shoebox. I don't know if you guys can see it from the screen. It's really hard to tell, but this is a Maison Margiela and Reebok collaboration. Now, if you guys don't know that Maison Margiela obviously does fashion, of course, they have done a bunch of collaborations with Reebok. Like, they've designed shoes, and they had so many different type of designs out in the past, but particularly this style really kind of sparked my feelings, and I was like, I actually really like them, and they look very cool and very interesting, and I decided to purchase them, and they were on sale. Let me tell you guys the price. I think they were from, doesn't say the price in here, I think this was around 300 or 400 pounds, reduced to 160. Reduced to 160, and I thought this is actually a really good price, like literally half price, and let me just get them basically. So let me just open the box. The shoebox, very nice sturdy shoebox. It's not very flimsy, very nice and good quality carton, like there we go. and it's got the Margiela and Reebok logo. Very nice kind of color. What's this? Okay, this is the thing that you put your shoes inside. What's it called? Like the shoe, forgot the name of these. Oh my god, forgot the name of you, but they don't smell really nice, so I'm just gonna chuck them over there. And you have them in here in a nice tissue. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my god, even the tissue got Margiela and Reebok. Okay, pause this video and let me know what color I got and what style I got if you guys are a fan of these kind of shoes. Oh my god, they look so cool. There we go, these are the pair of shoes I got. And let me just put the box in here. Guys, oh my god, look what I got. These are, do they have even a name? Don't really know they have a name, to be honest. But these are the pair of shoes I got. Can you guys see them? How interesting they look. The reason why I really like them is because of this cutout. I feel like the cutouts make the shoes very interesting, very different. Can you guys see how many cutouts this got? I feel like this is barely like a shoe. It's more like a piece of kind of leather stuck together, and like, there we go, there you have it. But the sole got the Reebok sole in here. It's got the Reebok logo over here. It's got the Reebok logo also in here, as well as the Maison Margiela numbers, which is popular. And it's got the circled 22, which means for the shoes. It's got also this style in here. Now this is called the tabby style. Tabby basically is, don't really know the story about it, but I feel like I don't really know why they've got the name tabby. But the designer Martin Margiela, when he was designing for Maison Margiela, he was wearing flip-flops with socks, and it kind of created this kind of shape. So this was the whole inspiration of it, with the flip-flops and socks. So this is the whole inspiration. But now, if I'm thinking about it, how would my toes go inside of this? I feel like the big toe will go in here, and then the rest of the toes in here. I'm really intrigued to try this on, and very excited. I mean, you guys, this is actually a very interesting shoe. Let me just take out the stuff in here. It's actually super light, and it smells not the best. Well, it doesn't smell of feet. It smells not like new. It smells very like fabric-y. It's made in Vietnam. I guess all of the shoes are made over there. I feel like the main kind of production is done by Reebok, and the design is done by Margiela. To be honest, you guys, by looking at the quality and looking at everything in details, not everything is done in perfection. Like the stuff at the back in here, not everything is cut in perfection. Can you guys see in the wall how much cutouts it got? I mean, this brand is known for the not being perfect, more like structured, more like not perfect edges and stuff like that. So this is the brand known for. So I'm actually very excited to try this on and basically style it, you guys, and see how I get along with these. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find a pair of socks, maybe, or maybe without socks, and try them on and see how they fit. Alright guys, so I'm just filming a short reels or shorts video for YouTube and Instagram and even TikTok regarding these shoes, like an unboxing. So I just wore some stuff like a leather jacket and t-shirt and some joggers to just style it up and see how or what I think about these. Now, God, guys, you won't believe it. Let me show you guys something. Let me put you down. So these are the shoes looking from the top. I mean, I don't mind the style. I feel the style of the tabby shoes are so unique and so, excuse my nails, you guys, are so unique and so different. I really like it. I mean, I absolutely love how it looks and stuff like that. And in terms of the size, this is a size 8 and it's perfect. It fits perfectly. I could go for a bigger size because I feel like it does hit my toe in here. As you guys can see, I'm wearing no socks on this one. And the big toe goes over here, and then it splits, and then all of the other toes are in here. Now, in terms of the comfort, it's okay. I mean, it does hit my toenail over here. I could go for a bigger size. This is my stupid mistake, and this is going to be tight, you guys. Listen, there's a piece of fabric, a piece of leather in between your toes. Obviously, it's gonna, like, you might feel something. Sorry about the shaky camera, you guys. I'm very like, so there's no socks in here. You guys can see the cutouts very nicely. I mean, it does look very nice. There's my feet, all the foot fetishes. You will enjoy that. There we go. This is how it looks like, and I feel like it looks very nice without the socks. I actually really like it. The problem is, it's summer, it's hot, your feet might sweat, and in terms of the fabric, this is like a thick fabric. And this is leather. Leather is good, obviously, in terms of the sweaty feet. It doesn't sweat as much if it's leather, but I'm concerned regarding the bands over here, because all of this is got this fabric over here, which I'm a bit concerned. And yeah, this is the one without the socks. Now, this is the one with the socks. Everything is pitch black. From far behind, you can't even see the cutouts if you're wearing like a black sock. However, if you wear a colorful sock, you will see the cutouts like in this one. When I wore these socks, oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna just about tear my socks and destroy all my socks with these, because it literally is pulling the sock from here. This is not good. I mean, I don't like to destroy my socks because I spent a lot of money on my socks to get the good quality ones, and I don't want to pull them over here, and I don't like it. Of course, the big toe is over here and the smaller toes over here, and with the socks, it's more comfortable. It's more like I'm more steady, and I feel like with this one here, I feel like my feet are already sweating by even me standing here for 2 minutes. This is how I feel at the moment. I don't know why. Maybe I have just sweaty feet. But I feel like this is already sweating, and this is okay for now. In terms of the comfort, this is very uncomfortable. This is pulling my socks, and I can feel it everywhere. I feel like it's cutting my toes, and I don't like it. This is very uncomfortable. The comfort in here is okay. It's not too bad. I got mixed feelings, you guys. I was expecting a bit more. I was expecting this to be more comfortable and be more easy going, but by looking at these, I am not happy, you guys. I feel like this is pulling the sock, and without the socks, my feet are sweating, and in London it's raining most of the time, and yes, I can wear it without the socks, or maybe those invisible socks, but even with the invisible socks, it still will pull from the toe area, which I'm a bit confused. So what kind of socks would you wear in general with the tabby shoes? Not with the cutouts, with the tabby shoes. What kind of socks would you wear? If you guys know, please leave them down below in the comments, because I'm very curious. Or maybe I need to research in Google or something and read some reviews what people actually wear with these kind of socks. No, let me get it straight. What kind of socks do people wear with these kind of tabby shoes? Because I am very uncomfortable with these. I am not impressed. Right, you guys, so I've come to a conclusion. I'm still wearing the shoes just to see how comfortable they are. I'm just walking around my flat and see how everything is, and I came to a conclusion. This unboxing video was an utterly fail. I'm not impressed with these shoes. I mean, I'm not a fan of these at all. The tubby style, it's unique and different, but I can't wear them. It just kills my toes already. I feel like I'm getting blisters already because it's very tight, especially with the sock area, and I don't like it at all. So this was a fail, so I'm gonna send these back and hopefully I'll get my money back for these, because I just don't like them. I mean, they look very nice from the side and from the cutouts, but in terms of the comfort is very important, and if it pulls the socks or without the socks, I can't really wear them, especially in London, because it's raining all the time and it's sometimes cold, and you know, it just doesn't look really like appealing. I mean, if it's in a nicer climate or something like that, you could wear these, but these ones, they're just a no, and I'm gonna send them back straight away. And this unboxing for MyTheresa, my first unboxing, my first haul for MyTheresa, was a fail. considering the delivery took so long, which I'm also not impressed. So overall, I am a not happy customer. So I won't be buying from MyTheresa for a while now, and I won't be buying the Tabby shorts for sure. I mean, I got my chances. Maybe I should have worn them in the store to see how they are in terms of comfort, but in general, the Tabby shoes from Maison Margiela are not for me because they're just killing my toes already. And with this, I'm gonna conclude this video in here. So I hope you guys found this video kind of informative and also enjoyed it. I mean, if you're considering to get the Tabby shoes by Margiela, definitely try them out before in store rather than purchasing them online, because you have to do this whole online return procedure, which I am not a fan of. However, it should be very easy to return with MyTheresa, so that's fine. Even with Farfetch and stuff, they're very easy to return, but in terms of the Tabby shoes by Maison Margiela, they're not for me. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video in here. So if you enjoyed it, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more kind of fashion videos like these, so unboxings, and also follow me on my Instagram. That's my phone getting crazy. Also follow me on my Instagram at RamaBlogger, where you will see all these kind of videos before. Maybe I'm gonna upload the video before then this video goes live, you never know, so it will be always updated over there. I have nothing else to say except thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. That's so uncomfortable, I'm gonna have to take them off right now.